Did you really think it was going to be that easy to stop me? Oh, no, you don't?
Not the Little Mermaid, too? Oh, what are we gonna do? Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
Ugh, that Little Mermaid is so happy. She has her dream life and everything she wants. And what do I have? Nothing. I must come up with an evil plan to destroy her happiness. Oh no, this is terrible. How can I save my best friend from Ursula's wicked plots? I've got it. I will summon the biggest storm in the sea to destroy the Little Mermaid's kingdom. I must go and warn the Little Mermaid. Oh, Flounder, that evil Ursula is up to her wicked ways again. Let's go and ask my good friend Fizzy for help. Great idea. Let's go. Fizzy, we need your help.
Of course I'll help you. You can always count on me.
Oh, hey, Phoebe. I'm sorry for waking you up, too.
The evil Ursula wants to summon a terrible storm to destroy the Little Mermaid and her kingdom forever. We need to help her. Of course we'll help. But what can we do, Fizzy?
It won't be easy. Ursula uses powerful dark magic. We'll need a good plan to stop her. I've got it! We'll trap Ursula! That way she won't be able to trouble you or the Seven Seas ever again!
This is the magical dish drop game. Each box has a different ingredient to make slime.
Slime? What for? You'll see. Oh, purple! Let's open the purple box. Perfect! Green food coloring.
Oh, that's the black box. Let's open it. Ooh, it's white PVA glue. Awesome sauce.
It's red like my hair. But what's inside? Oh, it's shaving cream to make it nice and fluffy. I wonder where it's gonna land this time. Oh, what's it gonna be? Blue, like the sea.
Oh, it's red glitter. My favorite.
Ha 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 ha! Did you really think it was going to be that easy to stop me? I will turn you into foam. That will destroy you and your happiness forever! Oh, no, you don't!
Not the Little Mermaid, too? Oh, what are we gonna do?
Ha! Now for you two interfering puppets!
Hey, leave Phoebe alone. Oh, please don't hurt her. Phoebe? Oh, Fizzy, I didn't know how else to save us. Well, that was really brave of you, Phoebe. But I don't think it's a good idea for Ursula to stay in your tummy. Who knows what might happen? My tummy does feel a bit funny. Remember, it's not safe to swallow things unless it's food, and Ursula is definitely not food. I'm sorry, Fizzy. We need to make the slime, and quickly! Awesome sauce! We have all the ingredients to make the slime! Wait, what about the yellow box? It's got a magical remedy inside to save the Little Mermaid and Flounder. We better Let's put it on the Little Mermaid and Flounder now!
Ugh, I didn't like being slime at all.
Fizzy! Don't worry, Phoebe. We'll make the slime in no time. Miss Hands, can we have a hand?
All right, Fizzy. First up, glue. That will make the slime super sticky. Next up, shaving cream.
Awesome sauce! Now we have the base for our slime.
Our magic ingredient. And mix.
Oh, that slime is so slimy.
And one last magical thing, red glitter.
Awesome sauce! It's perfect!
Ugh, I will curse you.
Hey, you're not gonna hurt Phoebe or any of my friends ever again! My magic is every bit as strong as yours.
You did it, Fizzy. That evil sea witch is trapped forever. I see why we made slime now. Thank you, Fizzy. Thank you, Phoebe. We better go home and check that everyone is okay. Come on, Flounder. Bye, Fizzy and Phoebe. I'll see you in the underwater palace soon.
Wow, that was super exciting! I can't believe we managed to defeat Ursula! We can do anything if we do it together. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you
Next time!